seesaw, always we go up and down. We go up and down the seesaw till we are free fall. Now we're going upside down. We go up and down the seesaw, get up the seesaw, always up and down.
But I wear in my shoes every day. The Good Feet store arch supports. Plantar fasciitis would flare up seemingly out of nowhere. I would step out of bed, and it was like I was stepping onto nails. Until I visited the Good Feet store and finally found comfort, energy, performance, and pain relief. It's Rex Jones. If you have heel pain, knee pain, lower back pain, if your arches are giving you all kinds of fits, try the Good Feet store. Visit them across from St. John's Town Center next to Best Buy. They've been helping me walk better for over a decade, and the Good Feet store has been helping so many people finally achieve comfort, energy, performance, and pain relief for 17 years. Of course, your individual results may vary, so consult your physician for medical conditions. Find the Good Feet store across from St. John's Town Center right next to Best Buy.
Hey, Mom, I'm here to drive you to your doctor's appointment.
Oh, we finished early.
What do you mean?
With my Humana Medicare Advantage plan, telehealth appointments with my doctor are covered.
Wow, that's great.
Well, that's human care for you. Humana wants its members to get the care they need, even at home.
Humana offers new ways to focus on your health at home. Because Humana isn't just health care, it's human care. Humana is a Medicare Advantage HMO, PPO, and PFFS organization with a Medicare contract. Enrollment in any Humana plan depends on contract renewal.
Hi, this is Dale Murray from Murray Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram Superstore in Start, where the customer's always number one, because that's just how we roll. Shazam! Don't be fooled by paying those big city prices to those big city dealers that have to pay for those big city dealerships. With our unbeatable customer service, selection, and 15 years